Hello everyone, welcome to this very new video. Actually this is going to be a complete video tutorial series, and I will try to cover everything from purchasing your first web hosting to deploying your website and in between everything. So stay connected with me and I hope you will enjoy this video series. So I will purchase web hosting from Ofaex and I am searching for it in Google. Here you can see ofaex.com and click here. So they are running an independence offer right now, and it will be ended in 4 days. So if you are watching this video, you can grab it as soon as possible. If I scroll down, you can see managed cPanel web hosting. Here click on explore. So we are right now on the managed hosting page, and if we scroll down, you can see here are 4 packages, and all of them are very good in terms of resources. I have tested all of them. So now the starter package have first month free. So I click on it. Here we have to select a domain. So another thing is that you can read this page here. They have mentioned all the features and frequently asked questions. You can read them before buying. And here also budget cPanel hosting. It is cheaper than the managed one, but the managed one is much better than the budget one. So let's select the domain now. Here the first option says to register a new domain. Here you can register a new domain. Let me show you. If I search a .org domain and check, first in this field you have to input the domain name and select the TLD here, and if it's available, you can see it here, and here you can continue to purchase this domain. But I won't purchase a new domain in this tutorial. I will rather get a free domain here. And these two options are for transferring domain, and the third option is for if you don't want to transfer the domain, you can still use this host by pointing to their name server. So this is for that purpose, but I will use the fourth option and get a free subdomain. Like if I type Occident, the subdomain will be occident.1.mywebsites.link. So if I click on check, it will take me to the next page. But if the domain is not available, it won't take it to the next place. You have to choose another domain. Okay, so in this configuration page you can see choose billing cycle option. Here you can select monthly package or yearly or even 24-36 month package. So I will continue with 1 month package for now. Again here you can select add-on packages, add-on services like SSL certificate, backup services, and SEO services. So these are paid, but I will take the WordPress toolkit add-on. This is free. So here if I see the summary, it says $5, but it will change in the next page. As I am purchasing in the promotion campaign, so it became $0 because this package they are offering for free for first month. So I will continue the checkout process. Here I will have to create a new account. So let me create an account with my details. First name here, last name. Here you have to give your number, and then here email address. Again here company number, company name if you have. I don't have a company. And then here the street address. I am giving my details here. Here city, and country you can select here your country. then state and postcode here, and then you can select a referrer or avoid this, and then you can input, you will have to input a new password. If you can think of a powerful password, then you can generate one from here, and you can select the length also, and when you click copy to clipboard and insert, it will automatically copy it to your clipboard and insert it. Then here you can select the payment method. They support a bunch of payment methods like PayPal, Paddle. With Paddle you can pay via Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, and then MasterCard. With AmarPay you can pay via DBBL, Bcash, Rocket, Nogod, MasterCard. Again there is Coinbase for BTC, BCAs, like cryptocurrency payment. So I will go with the PayPal Express checkout, and then I have agreed to the terms of service. You can read these terms and services, and then you can agree with this and complete the order. Remember to keep the password in safe place. We can save the password in the browser also, so it will take some time. So it will automatically redirect. Let me save the password on my browser. Okay, so it has automatically redirect us to the payment gateway, but I will cancel and return to Ofaex hosting. You can pay here but I have $0 invoice, so I won't have to pay. Look, it is automatically been paid. So I will scroll down and back to the client area. Okay, so here you can see the service is active now, but it is asking for email verification. So I will go to my email address and check for. Okay, so it came to the spam email folder. We can mark it not spam. Okay, so here the email verification link, I can click on it and complete the verification. Okay, so your email has been verified. If I reload this now, okay, the warning is gone. Now if you click on one services, okay, here our hosting package is active now, as you can see. If I click on it, my network connection is slow. Okay, so here you can see the cPanel hosting package is active, and if we want to log into cPanel, you can click here, just log into cPanel. Let me show you the cPanel interface. So I will cover the cPanel options and Ofaex client area options in the next videos that is coming to this playlist. Here in this video, let me show you the website. So as we ordered hosting with this subdomain, it is showing here oxident.1.mywebsites.link, but you will receive a privacy error. It says your connection is not private, so it is for SSL certificate. So in the next video I will show you how to install SSL and other stuffs. So stay connected with me. Thank you for watching this video.